Have you ever wondered about the difference between gas and electric furnaces? Well, let's break it down. Hi, I'm Tom Blair from Golden Rule. Choosing the right furnace is a tough decision. There are plenty of options and features to think about. But one of the first questions we often hear is, should I go for a gas or electric furnace? In this video, we'll cover the basics, how these furnaces are different, who should think about each one, and we'll touch on the costs. After watching this video, you should have a good idea of which furnace suits your needs. At first glance, both these systems do the same thing, heat your home, but they do it differently, whether gas or electric. Both are part of your central air system and connected to your ductwork. Both work by taking the air from the home, heating it, and sending it back into your house. The key difference is how they produce that heat. A gas furnace makes heat by burning natural gas or propane. This heat goes through a heat exchanger and warms up that air. Gas furnaces produce carbon monoxide as a byproduct, so we need to make sure to get the exhausts safely vented to the outside of the house, whether it's through your chimney or PVC flue pipes. Gas furnaces come in different types with various features and efficiency levels. On the other hand, electric furnaces use heating coils, like a toaster. Electricity runs through these coils, making them super hot. The air passing through these coils gets heated. So when it comes to picking between them, first think about where you live and if you have access to natural gas. Historically, natural gas has been the primary heating fuel in the U.S., especially in the Midwest and northeastern regions. So gas furnaces are common there. Electric furnaces and heat pumps are more popular in places with milder winters, like the southern and southwestern U.S. In central Iowa, we see both gas and electric furnaces. Electric ones are more common where natural gas is not available. Usually, electric heating costs more than using natural gas, especially in areas with cold winters. Electric furnaces are considered 100% efficient, which means they turn all the energy into heat, but they can be costly when it's freezing and you need the extra heat. Gas furnaces are often more efficient and can lower your bills by turning most of the fuel into heat. However, they can be pricier up front. Installation costs are usually similar. Electric furnaces with installation can cost between $5,500 to $7,500, while gas furnaces range from $7,000 to $9,000. The catch with electric furnaces is that many need a heat pump to provide enough heat, which can add $8,000 to $9,500 more to your bill. High-efficiency heat pumps can help keep your house warm so that you won't need to use the expensive auxiliary heat. To wrap it up, consider an electric furnace if you want an eco-friendly and cost-effective way to heat your home, especially in milder areas. They are efficient, modern models can handle the freezing weather, but remember, you may need a heat pump, which adds to the cost. Gas furnaces are a great way for folks with access to natural gas in those chilly regions. They're more eco-friendly now, but have more parts and need proper maintenance. For more on gas furnaces and heating options, check out the link below. As always, we're here to help. Thank you for watching.